Hope this helps somebody out there. This is a Constructor brand deadbolt, bought off the Walmart.com website. It's an inferior product. It's horrible. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody. But I do want to show my colleagues a few things about this so that it'll make their job a little easier in the field. First off, most of you guys know when you see a plug like this, best method of attack when you're bringing your plug follower through is going to be at this 1 o'clock angle. And I say 1 o'clock because it at least has a little bit more metal on this side, so gives you a little bit more room to keep your top pins in as you're plug following through. The other thing is that your standard plug follower will operate on this lock. This lock comes with what look like just from cursory glance Schlage blanks. This is actually a KW1 blank clone that goes in here. So a regular KW1 blank will fit in the keyway, so that's good. That's a good part of this. You're not going to be able to just simply rekey this by dumping the pins out. Don't dump the pins out on this lock when you're out there rekeying and throw them away. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to reuse the old pins, because your standard lab pin kit, the pins are not going to go in the barrels. So something to keep in mind. So an idea on that is keep your pins that came with it. Go ahead and measure the depths on your key, scramble those depths, scramble your pins, and you've rekeyed the lock. These do fit. The old ones obviously fit, but even then they're loose in there. This is just such a low quality piece of hardware. So real quick, show the label there so they can see that if they ever encounter it. I'm Roger Quartz Jr. I'm with Rekey Express Locksmith.